Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the visual intelligence to identify products and prices. So, at first you need to open the camera application. Pardon me, not camera application, settings. Here now you need to go to the camera setting here. Now tap camera control and scroll the way down to enable press and hold for launch visual intelligence. Now once you hold the camera button, you'll see this window, which is the camera with the visual intelligence. Now, for example, I'm going to take a photo of this SIM card reopener. And as you can see, if you want to identify products and prices, you need to tap search over here. Now, these products will be listed here. And this is the same with every single product that you may take a photo of. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.